What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today is an unboxing of one of the rarest items you can buy for your scionxb, and it's probably one of the top 5, I think, in my opinion. You guys comment down below, let me know what one of your rare XB finds would be, but this one took me about 5 weeks just to get alone. And I'm really excited, man. I've been waiting for this to put on my scionxb. So, without further ado, let's get done. So as you can see, I bought this from Japan Space Parts, and you can find him on Instagram. He usually posts on there, and it took me about 5 weeks just to receive this. I got it today, so we're going to do the unboxing today. And I have to tell you, it is packaged really well. Like, there's no way, unless it's been cut open, there's no way of this opening up. Now, I don't know where the front is. I mean, I guess this would be the front, but as far as cutting, I mean, it's really well packaged. There's not a seam in here for you to start, but we will try to get this done in as easy as possible of trying to open it up. But I'm really excited because it's taken 5 weeks just to get it. So without further ado, let's get to this. I guess the box is underneath, because it feels like this is just a wrap of the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start a cut. So I guess what it's a box, and then it's wrapped in, I guess, black trash bags. So I've seen that everything that's wrapped is the black trash bag, so that's the signature with the black packaging. You know that it's Japan Space Parts when you got the black packaging and you have the logo up at the front like that. So good branding, good marketing for your business. So as you can see, it's just wrapped. The box is wrapped. So now that I know that, I can just easily cut this off. All right, so now that we've got the outside packaging done, just the box, it's, I guess, gotta be careful in opening it. Woo, yep, that's it. That's what I've been waiting for. Yeah. This is it. All right, so it's packaged really well. You got your bubble wrap here. Wow. Okay. Okay. I mean, this is really wrapped well. You can't really see what it is, but it's wrapped really well. So even if there's banging on the sides, you know, here, it's not gonna mess it up. So and whenever whenever you order from Japan Space Parts, he's really thorough. If you have questions, he'll answer them. If you want more pictures of the item that you are looking at, he'll send you more pictures. I had asked him about the wiring, and he made sure to show me through video and through pictures on Instagram that this is what you have to do and whatnot. So he's very thorough on his work. So I have to commend him on that because it's not just somebody who puts a product in and that's it. He's there. He gave me updates on where the packaging was. He does a great job. Let's just put it at that. He does a great job. And yes, I'm being very careful. And as you can see, like this part, he let me know on Instagram what each color was for, the wiring. Yeah, there's actually two of them. Woo! Yeah. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready for this? Oh man. How am I gonna do this? Let me put this down here. There it is. I've been waiting for a very long time to find these, and I was able to get my hands on them. These are the Pioneer, Carrozzeria Pioneer speakers. These were specifically made for the Toyota BB in Japan, and again, these are rare, so when they pop up, grab it. I mean, yeah, he did tell me that there is some wear here, so I might have to get this repainted at some point. There's a little paint chip here, but everything is everything looks good. The speakers, I don't see anything. There's no cracks. There, you know, the neon lights work. The way that I'm going to set these up, I don't know if I'm going to actually set up the speakers. I know that people don't hook up the speakers because these are rare, but I might hook up the speakers at some point, but for now I'm just going to put them in the car and yeah. What do you guys think? There's two of them, so this is just one of them. Comes with all the hardware. This bolts into the rear seat belt bolt, and then everything is held in just like this. We're not going to install them today, but we will have an install video later on down the line. I just need to figure out, do I need to take everything out from inside the car to put these in? And if I do I want to dynomat the inside of the back and soundproof it while everything is taken off? But yeah, so these wires here, these are what go in the front here. And they hook up the speakers as well as the neon lights. So Yeah, he sent me a video of the neon lights working, and man, I am excited about this. I've been waiting for these for the longest time, and when it was available, I made sure that I got them. So yes, there are two in there. So this just shows you how well packaged his items are. I mean, again, the box itself, double layered, the box, and then the box is, you know, wrapped in the black, taped up all around, and then the inside has bubble wrap just like you see here. It also has foam in there, so even if they're throwing them around, you know, during shipment, it's nothing's gonna happen to them, and that just shows you right there how well packaged his items are. So there you have it. These will be going on my first gen scionxb. Comment down below what you think. I'm very excited. You know, he puts stickers in. He puts the smell goods in. This is, you know, air freshener, car freshener, to hang on your rearview mirror. But I gotta tell you, I'm really, really, really excited about this. And I love people who sell things that are very into their work and take care of their customers and their products just like this. It's very rare that that happens. You know, I've tried to buy items from people and it's just thrown in a box and, you know, shipped out. But, you know, the gentleman that sold me the center caps for the TRD rims, he's the same way. I had a problem with some of the center caps and he's sending me some replacements. This here, you know, sending me updates, sending me pictures, sending me videos, anything that I needed, any questions that I had were answered. Even with the time difference, he was very prompt on everything. But yeah, I'm excited. This is going to be one of the good ones. So what do you think? Comment down below. Again, I'm just in awe, man. I never thought that I'd have some of these, and to be honest with you, they're not light. They're good weight on them. I thought they were going to be like really flimsy and light, you know, and not done very well, but they are pretty sturdy. Here's the back. But yeah, they're not that light as I thought. So yeah, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Thank you for everybody who subscribed to my channel. We're growing. The first gen XB is getting a new look, especially, you know, if you saw the TRD video, it's getting a new look. And then now we have these. I have some more going on the inside and then changing the engine bay as well. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!